this is the finished look of my blonde, ash blonde that I was trying to achieve, and I did it, y'all. So basically I got this look within 72 hours. So I bleached it the first day. I used Box Color by Cream of Nature. I think it's called Light Luminous Blonde. All of that will be in the description. And then the second day, I used regular, bleach, which I should have done in the first place because it lightens it so much more. But the color on the box, it tempts you. But in reality, you're probably not going to get that color. Not without, a toner and all of the other extra stuff. So what I did was, I did that the second day for the bleach. And then it still wasn't as light as I wanted it to be. It still wasn't, this color yet. So I bleached it one more time and was praying that my hair could just take a little more chemical, like, hey, I'll just hold on. This is the last time. And it did. So after that, I did the Apogee protein treatment, and I did that, and that made it feel a lot better. It made it feel really, really good. And this is the finished look. I flat ironed it today, and I love it. And I'm doing this in the car right now because I'm going to get something to eat. I'm so hungry. But this is the finished look. I love, 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 love it. So yeah, you don't have to go to a salon. You can do this yourself. If you have, you need to have some type of knowledge about hair to do it yourself. I will say that, especially if you're not natural, because I'm not natural. I'm going back natural again, so I'm transitioning right now. But I only have maybe like 4 inches of new growth, if that. So I definitely wouldn't recommend this if you're not natural to use that much bleach. But I have fairly strong hair. Thank God, so I wasn't too nervous about it, but I would definitely recommend it. If you're going to do as much bleach as I use, do it if you're natural, and if you're still extremely scared about it, then just go to a professional, and I'm sure they can hook you up. They can get you right like your girl. This is the finished look, you guys. I wanted my roots to be dark, so I darkened those up, and yeah, that's that. And I don't have on lashes, so that's probably why I look funny too, because I am out of eyelash glue. Isn't that just great? So anyway, if you like this look, make sure you like and subscribe, and finish watching the video so you can see how you can get some blonde in your life, girl. Bye. I'm about to go ahead and mix up my bleach, cook it up, and then apply that over this stuff. And y'all, I hope I still have some hair after this, okay? I need all my hair still here, still in good condition. So let's make it do what it do. So I've mixed 3 packs of bleach powder with 20, is it 20? Yeah, 20 volume cream developer. So I've used 20 volume cream developer with my bleach packs, which is a lot. It's a lot. Like, it's almost full. It's basically full. And I'm expecting to probably need all of this. And this is the consistency. A little thick, a little runny, but not too much. So, oh my gosh, y'all. I'm scared. I'm really scared. Oh my god. Maybe I should just start in the back. Why am I starting in the front? Why? Calm down. Okay. I need a butterfly clip. Un momento, por favor. Okay, y'all. Let's do it. So y'all probably won't really be able to see the back. So for this part, I'll probably just do off camera, I'm guessing. And then I can just come back to y'all once I get to the front. So yeah, this is going to be a little hard to show that because I'm going to be so focused on what I'm trying to do to not mess up. So yeah, this part will not be recorded, but I will record me doing the front and the other part, so I'll be right back. Okay, the back is done. I just applied the bleach. About to go ahead and do the front. Trying to move as fast as I can. I think that took maybe like 10 minutes or so. I don't know. Hope y'all can, hopefully y'all can see this. It's 7:24 right now. I'm gonna go as fast as I can. I'm not gonna record the whole time because I'm just trying to make sure I ain't messing up my head. So yeah, I'm just putting it on these dark ends And then I'm kind of going diagonal to blend it out a little bit, so that it just doesn't start out of nowhere, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's all I'm doing. Just doing that right there, that's it. I'm just going to do that on the entire head. So, but yeah. Just applying it again to the ends, making sure it's saturated. And this stuff is strong, y'all. I'm breathing through my mouth right now. And my daughter keeps wanting to come in here and be nosy. I have the window open and I had the fan going, but it was so loud. But yeah, my little toddler keeps peeping in here. It smells much better though since I opened the window. I had the fan on for a while, so. But still, it had got really strong when I first started mixing it. Woo! So yeah, that's all I'm doing, applying it to the ends. And just going up to the, and making sure to put it on the back side too as well. Make sure it's nice and saturated. You don't want it to look blotchy or any of that. And then I'm just doing a little diagonal lines so that when I do the shadowing, when I darken my roots, so that it'll blend out. So I don't have any weird lines where it's like, ooh, that's where you bleached and that's where you didn't. So yeah. So I'm just going to do this over the entire head. And that's that. And I will be back to you all. Put it down. Give it here. Kids, boy. My daughter is, I have her cartoons on. She still want to be in here with me. Don't you, girl? So, yeah. Stay tuned. And I'm going to go ahead and complete the entire head. And then I'll show you all what that looks like. And after that, then I'll be rinsing it out to hopefully some beautiful results. So stay tuned. So this is the back, if y'all can see it. Hopefully you saw that. So yeah, I'm just waiting for the front to hurry up and turn. And then I'm going to rinse it out and do my T14 to tone it. No, I'm not. I'm going to rinse it out and then I'm going to do the roots to make them dark, which is with Wella 4BC Iced Espresso. I'm going to use that one, which is like a dark brown, almost black looking. So yeah, let's get this front to turn, y'all, because I'm ready to rinse this out because I'm really getting scared that my hair is going to be on the floor. I rebuke that in the name of Jesus, Lord. Do not let my hair be on the floor. That was a serious prayer too. I don't play with my prayer. But my hair's still in my head so far. We're not done though. So yeah, the back is like probably 2 shades lighter than the front. I was going, like, yeah, it turned so fast. Like seriously, I was going so fast in the back. And that's what I was trying to avoid, such a big difference. But I didn't want to leave it on the front too long, you know. I hate that my front isn't as light as the back. But what can you do? I should have just rinsed the back out, you know, once it got blonde, and then did the front. Get this all detangled, and then I'm going to put the dark roots in, darken up my roots. And what else? Yeah, and that's all. Okay, so now I'm doing the espresso, which I got 3 boxes of these, but I think 2 will be enough. This is in the color 4BC. So y'all, this stuff is so strong. This is worse than the bleach. As soon as I opened it, I was coughing. And I'm just going to mix it with this. It's strong, y'all. I'm serious. I have a window open and everything. So add this. Okay, let me mix it, y'all. I gotta turn this off. I couldn't even record the video with this Wella 4BC espresso. I could barely get it on my head. I'm not even trying to be funny. I'm dead serious. Like, I could barely breathe. I was like this. Like, I had to keep walking out the bathroom because I could not breathe. It scared me really, really bad. And it was like as soon as I opened the gel pack, I feel like, because it was in this. This is what it was. It comes in this. And you like prick the little hole in the top and squeeze it out. So it was real jelly. But it's like as soon as I squeezed the first one out, I'm like, dang, you know. And it just got worse and worse. So I don't know. But this right here, why did I do that? That was dumb. I thought I smelled something sweet. That's why I did it. This one I can smell it, but nowhere near as bad. Nowhere near. And I'm going to use two of these T14s. And I'm just doing equal parts of the 20 volume developer. So pouring all the T14 in, and then I'm just pouring this in the bottle so that I know it's even. And mixing it all up. So that's it in the bottle. Mixing that up. Y'all, that has me shook. I ain't lying, man. So this is the end result. I have finally finished. I did I darkened the roots, which I'll probably go back in and make them darker. They're not as dark as I wanted them to be, but overall, the blonde is definitely the blonde that I wanted. So I'm very happy with it. I'm so tired because this is what day is this? This is the second day. No, this is the third day. So yeah, overall, 72 hours for me to get this look. So yeah, I went from dark black hair to ashy blonde, honey, in 72 hours. So I'm really pleased with it. After I did it, I did the effigy, I guess that's how you pronounce it, I did their protein treatment, then the moisturizer, and then some other Apogee product with the spray stuff. So I made sure to do a good treatment after it. I still have to clip my ends, so they look pretty raggedy. But child, I'm beat, honey. I've been doing this hair for a while, so I'll cut those ends maybe tomorrow or another day. So yeah, my camera ended up dying on me. So when did it die? It died when I was doing I think when I was doing the shadowing. No, it died before that. It died when I was going through the bleach the second time around, I believe. I'm not sure. I'll find out when I edit the video. But it did die on me because it said my SD card was full. So it didn't really die. My camera was just full. So my SD card got full on me, so I wasn't able to record anymore. I tried to record snippets of it on my phone, and the Wella stuff was so potent. I mean, so strong. So, yeah, that was right before the SD card got full. Like, I was just choking up. But what I noticed is when I did the toner again, like today when I did it, I used the Wella cream developer, and it was nowhere near as bad. So maybe when you use Wella, it's just recommended to only use their developer, because the first time I used the Salon Care 20 developer, but this time I used Wella's developer, and I could breathe. So yeah, this is the end result, and that's it, and I hope you all like it because I love it. And yeah, I'm blonde now. Let's see how much fun they really have. I'm blonde again. I haven't been blonde since high school. So if you like this video, click the like button. It's not gonna hurt you to click the like button, okay? Just click the little button. Thank you, and yeah, and subscribe. So I'm going to be uploading a lot more, hopefully. I'm going to try to post some makeup looks and other hair stuff I do because I love messing with my hair. And yeah, subscribe, guys. Bye.